Hi guys, welcome back. And if this is your first time to be here, karibu sana, and let us snack. So guys, today I thought maybe we could do some cassava snacks. The kids have closed school, they are here, and guys, the cold season is still here with us. So these kids need something to bite, they need something to give them energy. So why not do some deep fried cassavas? So our first step will be to boil the cassavas till they are well cooked, but they should not overcook. They should just be ready to eat. Then I will season some salt, that is to make sure that the cassavas are not tasteless. So that's why I prefer adding just some little bit of salt, water, then cover and place this on the gas and allow it to cook. As the cassava cooks, I'll be preparing some tamarind sauce that I will serve the cassavas with. So for the tamarind, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to soak it in water, leave it to soak for about 10 minutes, so that when I come now to squeeze out the juice, it will squeeze out easily and very well. So this is 10 minutes later, and as you can see right now, the tamarind, the tamarind. What? Okay, the tamarind is coming out very well. So I am not struggling to, I'm just massaging very lightly, and the sauce is coming out. As you can see, it's not a struggle. That is the benefit or the importance of soaking the tamarind in water first, instead compared to putting it in, as in adding water and squeezing the juice right away. So guys, let me tell you a story today. This tamarind juice saved me some years back. It really saved me big time. So some years back, I was breastfeeding, and I really was low on milk. I could not supplement my baby with enough milk. So I had tried several things, deal seeds. Um, what are the other yellow seeds? There's some other seeds that I used to boil. Then the water used to come out color yellow. Guys, that that water used to taste and smell funny, but I had to drink. But guess what? I still didn't have enough until one day I was served this. Okay, I just had a desire for deep fried potatoes, viazi karai. So of course, viazi karai served with tamarind. Hey, me with tamarind, guy. I don't know what's wrong with me today. So of course, they are served with tamarind sauce on the side. So that day, what, I don't know, I just did not get it. I had more than enough milk. So I had to start thinking what really is happening. So I had to Google, and I realized that the sour taste, the tangy taste, things they like stimulate milk. So from that time, what I used to do when I was very very low on milk, I could have this prepared, then I could drink. And within a short time, I could feel my veins like I don't know if it was stretching or like getting filled up, and my little one could get milk like instantly. So that's how tamarind saved me big time, till later I came to know of hibiscus tea. So hibiscus tea was also something else. That is some tea that I can recommend to any nursing mother. Guys, okay, this is something that can really save you big time when it comes to milk production. So yeah, that was my short story. Yeah, that's it, guys. So our tamarind sauce is ready, so it's time to check on the cassavas to see if they are ready. And they look ready, guys. Yes, they are. Yes, the cassava is ready to be deep fried. So guys, as you can see, the cassavas are cooked, but they have not overcooked. They are still hard, as in they're ready to eat, but still hard. That's how the cassavas should cook. Okay. So something else, when deep frying, make sure that your oil isn't too hot to avoid the cassava from burning from the outside. The first batch is ready, and hey, the aroma in this kitchen, guys, oh wow. Guys, see the way this cassava looks crunchy in the outside but very dry in the inside. This is nice, this is so good. Guys, our snack is ready. Just take a look at this. See how crunchy it looks in the outside, guys, and the aroma, guys, that is filled in this kitchen. Wow. So you can enjoy this with a cup of hot black tea or hot black coffee. Guys, this is just awesome. And this can be enjoyed by every and any member of the family. Do you agree with me, guys? This is just so, 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 so nice. Just take a look, guys. Just take a look. Guys, see how it looks in the inside, guys. See, it is dry inside, but of course, it's moist. Mmm. Mm, 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 mm. Guys, it just tastes so nice. So, so nice. Mm, 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 mm. Guys, this is just so, so good. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.